My name's Adam, about to be 40 years old. I live in New Jersey. My hair loss started when I was in my early 20s. I didn't think anything of it at first, but when it started going more and more, it got to me. It made me a little insecure, and I wanted to do something about it. No, it never affected my social or working life. It just affected my personal. Her friend came here. I'm going to leave names out, but her friend came here. He loved it. Every second of this experience, I saw photos and I decided this is the place I need to come to. The information you gave me was incredible. Everything was worded perfectly and very instructive. The hairline design process was great because I had total flexibility of how I wanted it, and he understood and he drew me the hairline that I wanted, and I'm very happy with it. My advice is jump on it. It's a great decision. It's going to make you feel 100 times better about yourself. And if you're worried at all that, it hurts or anything, trust me, it didn't. So everything's smooth sailing. They treat you great here.